Hey, today I have an Ruko lock. This lock is very nice lock. I bought it on a yard sale a couple of days ago, maybe a week ago. It's a 5-pin lock. Here's the key, the beading. So pretty decent beading. This lock has a core that have sleeve on it, so the ASA pin will drop in the grooves. If I open it on camera I will show you. And the 5th pin, as far as I can remember, is the standard one. Everything else is security ASA pins, so they are designed to catch the grooves in the core. So yeah, it's a pretty interesting pick. I hope I will pick it. I will show you the core and the pins. So I'm trying to set the pin number 5 and to go in that full set, so I can show you. You can start picking the ASA pins. Because they are really problematic, and you will see me counter rotating manually, because it's not possible to go from that point to go and release the pin so you can pick the pin. So come on. Here's that full set that I was talking about. So from here I hope I'm going to set all the pins, and let me check the second one, nothing. Third one, slightly counter rotation, so I need to manually counter rotating and go back. So I think I set pin number 3. So pin number 4 nothing, and 5 nothing. So first nothing, second one nothing, third one can counter rotation, no, fourth one nothing. So let me start again. First nothing, second one nothing. And sometimes this is a problem. Courses, so you need pin number 1. Let me try to set pin number 1. I dropped something. I did not send pin number 1, but I dropped something else. I dropped pin number 3, I think. Yeah, now it's set. Again, pin 1, nothing. Pin 2, nothing. Pin 3, yeah, I set now pin 3, I think. So, pin 1 up, I set pin 1, I think. Pin 2, I think now I set pin 2, 3 nothing. Let me check pin number 4. Pin 4 nothing, I think. So again, pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, come on. I think I set pin number 3, but I dropped pin number 2. I think I set pin number 2. So now think I need to set pin number 1, but that's the tricky part. I think I set pin number 1, I drop pin number 2. Again, I set pin number 2, I drop pin number 1. Come on, pin number 3, I think it's not set, or it is set. And now pin number 4. Pin 2 again, I set pin number 2. And pin 1. One click, pin 2. I set, I think, again pin number 2. 1, then 2. Oh, we're open. I think I touched pin number 3. Yeah! Wow. Pretty tough pick, guys. Pretty tough pick. And you can see now that the tailpiece is moving. So, where's my key? Oh, yeah. At one point I was thinking that I'm not going to pick this lock today, but yeah. So I need a pinning tray. Here's the lock, here's the key. Now I need to disassembly. Oh yeah. Pretty well picked. So let me grab my tools. Oh, I was thinking that I'm never going to pick this lock so on camera. So let me. Yeah, here is the tailpiece. Let me check how can I get it out. Here's the tailpiece. I'm very excited. Come on, open. C-clip, okay. This part is out. Let me get out the C-clip. Here's the C-clip. Come on. I don't want to ruin this lock, so here's the C-clip. Here's the key. I need a follower. Let me get. Let me try it like this. Yeah, I think this will be okay. maybe not. Let me go back. This is not the right follower. I think I drop. Yeah. I did a small mess. So let me. Oh. Not the gutting that I wanted, but it is what it is. So one, two, no, one, two. I think the third one. This is not the right follower, so let me get. Let me check. Here's the standard fifth pin, but I mess it with the the fourth one is stuck, so I need to push it little bit on the other side. So yeah, I don't want to break the pin. So yeah, here it is. Here's the fourth one. It's a very small one. I think all the springs are the same. Let me get it out. Come on. I think I did not ruin this pin. I think. Yeah, I think everything is in order. I did not screw it a lot, so sorry. Here's the lock. Nothing done on the chambers. Everything is standard there, but the real thing is here. So here you can see all the pins, the grooves, and the sleeve. So here's all the pins in order, so everything needs to be picked. So let me dump it. First it's a standard, second one is standard, a little bit tempered I think, fourth one is standard, and the fifth one is standard. So here's the core, here that grooves and the sleeve. So here's how it's done, how they put it in there. They push it so it's not going to move. So let me grab one of the pins and I will show you. So the fifth one is standard. Here's the pin. Every pins, all four pins are first four are this like this. The fifth one is standard. So and they are going in this groove. So when you pick it, you're stuck in here. So you need to manually counter rotate and then pick it. And that's why I drop everything or some of the pins when I'm trying to manually counter rotate. So that's why you need to be fast, and it it requires a lot of patience. So let me rearrange everything, and I will give you a close-up as far as I can. The fifth pin is tempered. I don't know why it's not focusing, so it's tempered. So all the key pins are standard but tempered. So here's one of them. Again, come on, focus, so you can see tempering on the end of the pin. That's it. That's my first Ruko lock picking at it. So have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.